Is October the last month to buy crypto, specifically altcoins, at the lows, at the low prices that I still believe they are right now? Now, I'm making this video because for so long, ever since after the halving, I've been talking in my streams, videos, that the next coming months, right, with Bitcoin going down after the halving, is going to be the last opportunity in this accumulation for many altcoins before they take off. And before I talk on in this video, guys, like I always say before, not all altcoins will go up and follow Bitcoin. Okay? You need to understand that, because it's not like, you know, Bitcoin's going to go up to 100K and all the altcoins are going to follow it and break all-time highs. Okay? If you look back in the previous bull markets from bear markets, I think it was like 80 or 90% of coins that broke all-time highs from the previous bull market does not follow up and break all-time highs in the next one. Okay, I mean, you can just look that up. I'm pretty sure it's around that amount. It's the majority of them don't. Okay, so now, is October the last month? In my opinion, I'm going to give you guys my opinion, share my opinion, because it's been getting to the end, guys. This accumulation, before altcoins flip and start to take off, right? We already have the first leg up with Bitcoin going up to 72K. But the reason why these altcoins haven't been breaking all-time highs or outperforming Bitcoin is because, as we know it, Bitcoin dominance. If you're new into crypto, if you haven't heard about Bitcoin dominance, it's very important to know, because or else you're going to sell your altcoins at the lows and you're going to get impatient. But Bitcoin is going to dominate first, just like it did the previous bull markets. It's going to dominate first. Then it's going to get to a point where a lot of that is going to flow into the altcoin market for the survivors, the good projects. That's going to go up. And that's the crypto market. That's the crypto bull market. So looking at this month, if we look back in the month of September, which historically is not good for crypto, right? We look at the past September's very red or flat. This was the best month, and you could look it up. This was the best month for crypto in September's history. So I think I think that says a lot. And what's awesome is the fact that in the first week of September, you know, we came down, right? And a big reason why in the first couple of weeks we come down, even this month in October, and going into October, we were around 60K Bitcoin, 66K. Then what happened after the first week of October? We come down. The reason for that is because we have a bunch of reports coming out in the first couple of weeks. Job reports, employment, all that stuff. And so it's very volatile. And we can make a fake move down before going up. That's what happened in September. We made a fake move down. And then what happened mid-September going to the end of September, Bitcoin went up to 66K, and a lot of altcoins followed it, and it was the most bullish September in crypto history. And like I said, that says a lot. And I do believe that, you know, I have a gut feeling that mid-October, towards the end of October, we're really going to start to move up fast, maybe even see 70K Bitcoin. I don't know. Okay, I can't tell you. But the number one thing, my gut feeling, and it's never financial advice, you guys might know my videos are never financial advice, but my gut feeling is that it's riskier to be outside of the markets in crypto than inside the crypto market. And what I mean by that is that it's riskier to not have a portfolio that you're satisfied with in crypto than to have a portfolio that you're satisfied with. I'm not talking about being all in crypto, but having the majority of your investments in it, right? If that's your goal long term for crypto. So it's just, you know, based on the charts, based on where Bitcoin is, based on how the charts are looking. And especially as we know, Bitcoin goes up months after the halving. And a lot of people get this wrong. They think Bitcoin is just going to take off right after the halving. Did that happen? No. And guess what? If you look at the previous halvings, and I might be the first person that says this, and I'm going to make an analysis video to show you guys the comparisons. If you look at all the previous halvings and how Bitcoin reacts to them, every single halving, Bitcoin takes longer to shoot up. I'll show you guys. Okay, the first halving, right? But I don't know, it was back in 2012. I don't know if that was, yeah, I think that was the first halving. Bitcoin, right after the halving, Bitcoin shot up. You can look it up. It was fast. That one, Bitcoin really did go up after the halving. The next one, Bitcoin took a little bit, you know, it went up, but not as fast as the previous one in 2012. Or, you know, I forgot what year, but I think it's 2012 or something. Right? And then the next one in 2020, Bitcoin was slower. And by the way, 2020, not even the black swan, not even the elections stopped Bitcoin from following and taking off after the halving, months after the halving. and it went up slowly, but slower compared to the previous one. And now, fast forward 2024, if you look at the charts, you'll see that Bitcoin is taking longer than the previous halving. But I believe we're getting towards the end before Bitcoin shoots up and makes that unexpected move up. Okay, that's why I believe that, yes, my gut feeling is that October is probably the last opportunity, guys. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. Could we experience, you know, Bitcoin going down back to test 55K or something like that and going into November? Sure. But end of October, going into November, I believe altcoins are going to be at higher prices. Bitcoin, like I said, might be around 70K or so. And you got to understand the crypto market can move fast. It can move very fast. And what I believe, you know, when altcoins really do take off, it's going to be like a flip of a switch, right? I say this all the time. When altcoins move or start to move towards altcoin season and to break all-time highs, it's like a flip of a switch and you cannot time it. You think you're smart, you think you're a good trader, you cannot time it. It's the best thing to do is buy at these lows. Don't try to be cheap, right? There's people out there that, you know, are waiting for Dogecoin to come down to 9 cents again or 10 cents, you know, just 2 cents down. Or, you know, people of, you know, AVAX waiting for it to come back down to $20 or Chainlink come back to $9. Right? It's just a $2 difference. That's how cheap a lot of people are, or greedy, because they want to buy at lower prices. But guys, why would you wait, let's say Chainlink, to get to $9, not buy at $12 and then miss out on the opportunity because Chainlink will probably go to $20 next? And you're like, damn, I could have bought it at $12, but I was too greedy. I was waiting for $9 again and I missed out on it. You don't want to be that person. Telling you right now, not financial advice, but this is just my opinion. It's going to be like a flip of a switch. All coins are going to take off. I'm just telling you guys right now. It could take till November. Okay, so just wanted to share this, guys. That's my gut feeling. That's what I believe, and I already have a portfolio that I'm very well satisfied with if we go up or down, and that's the way you want to be too. You don't not want to be losing sleep at night. So follow the Telegram, guys. Join the Telegram, Cryptopolis, free. No tiers. We're building the greatest crypto community, the funnest, the freest, and it's amazing there. I appreciate all you guys that joined. We're about to reach 500 people. So love you guys so much. All the links in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.